Okay, so this is going to be my website. It's called Personal Shopping List. So technology is used for the login, registration, and shopping list. I use HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. I also use SQL. This is to access the database itself. So the architecture, basically we have connect and database. These are PHPs that are solely used to connect to the database and such. Database is used for registration, so we'll let the login page for users to be made, and connect is made for everything else. The index has for registration, so if you need to make an account, you fill out a form, you create the account. Then when you want to log in and you type your information, there's a code that checks if the account exists in the database. It also checks if the password and the username are in the database and if they are correct. And then once they are correct, you log in, it sends you to the home page. And if you don't put in your password or your username correctly, it will tell you that it's wrong. So once you're in the home page, once you log in, you have a blank screen, and then it gives you like it says list, as I'll show you in a minute. And then you can add items, delete items, and update items, basically like I said here. Features, there's a registration page, a login page that checks the password, if it's correct or not. Also, if the password is wrong, it will create another page telling you that it's wrong. You can add items to this list, and there's a logout function at the end. If I had any more time, I would make it so it's a lot easier to understand, and you can add items via categories and I just have them listed randomly. And yeah, that's it. Now this is the page. So you would create a username and everything. So register, it registers, you log in. So after you log in, you're greeted by the blanks page. You can add items. So let's say bananas, as I've tested before. We want 2 bananas. We bought the bananas. And let's say we bought them today. And then you add it to your list. Now let's say that you want some shoes, right? You want a pair of shoes, but let's say they don't have them at the store and you checked in on the 15th. So let's say that you went back on the 15th and they got them. So you come here, you say that you bought them and you update it. You can also delete the items and then you can log out and you come back here. So this website was made by me, Johann Torres, and I worked on this by myself.